our last recipe for today. We are going to make pancakes, and these are really good. Okay, we're going to start with 1 cup of garbanzo flour. And again, we just make our garbanzo flour. And then we want 1/2 cup of oat flour. So put in 1/2 cup of oats, and let's turn that into flour. Okay, that is our flour mix. 1 cup of garbanzo flour and 1/2 cup of oat flour. And we just take our oats and our garbanzos and grind them up. Then to this we're going to add a pinch of salt. Okay, 2 teaspoons of non-aluminum baking powder, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, which we are adding into the blender. We'll just add that into the liquid. And 2 tablespoons of, you can use any sweetener you want. You can use honey, you can use maple syrup. What I have here is maple syrup powder, and 2 tablespoons of that. And let's take the dry ingredients and just mix them all together. Okay, and then we're going to add the 1.5 cups of any of your nut milks that you like. And I have the teaspoon of vanilla in there. I sometimes use vanilla powder, and then that just mixes right in with the batter, with the dry ingredients. This just gets whisked around until it's all mixed in real well. And it smells good. I love the smell when you cook with cinnamon and vanilla. Whatever comes out of that is definitely going to be delicious. I played around with quite a few recipes, and one of the things I found, this one woman online who had used oatmeal flour to cut it, and it really made the difference. So I went with that, and it just makes all the difference in the flavor. Okay, this is about the consistency that you want. A nice batter. Okay, now we're going to do 1/4 cup into the frying pan and just cook it up with a little bit of oil. That's nice and toasty and brown. Okay, our pancakes are done. They are delicious looking and very, very light and fluffy. Some great maple syrup is what you put with them. You can add a little margarine if you like that floated on top. I like mine with applesauce and just a touch of maple syrup. And let's cut into this and just see what we get here. My goodness, that is fluffy. That is a good pancake. Absolutely delicious. And believe me, I'm not hungry right now. My lunch was that pizza that we made. But this is absolutely delicious. Make a great breakfast anytime that you want. Very high protein, high fiber, and you just can't do better than this. And no regrets. A delicious pancake. So now we have seen 3 wonderful recipes that we can use to satisfy those cravings for something kind of bready. So enjoy. And if you have any questions, just give me an email and I will get back. You all take care. Oh, my blog is daradeets.me. All of these recipes will be posted on my blog.